What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best embroidery machines in 2022. There's a lot of choice for embroidery machines. Hand embroidery is impressive and a lot of fun, but it takes a lot of hard work and planning. This is where a sewing and embroidery machine come in handy. With one of these handy machines you can create an incredibly beautiful design in just a few minutes. Embroidery machines open up a new world of possibilities with your sewing projects. These machines allow you to easily personalize, embellish and decorate virtually any fabric. Some of the best embroidery machines also offer regular sewing features, which allows you to enjoy the of both worlds. Modern embroidery or monogramming machines are typically computerized and use LCD display screen for stitch and design selection. With most of today's home embroidery machines, you can easily add more designs that you purchase online or create yourself. These machines are very powerful, so much so that you could open up your own embroidery business using many of the machines below. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Janome Memory Craft 500E. Creating unique pieces has never been easier or quicker. The Janome Memory Craft's full-color touchscreen makes it easy for you to import and edit your own designs. And with the ability to add up to 6 fonts, the possibilities are endless. Of course, if you're less creative when it comes to designing, the machine's library includes 180 patterns ranging from classic designs to floral alphabets to sashiko designs. The machine's compact size makes it difficult to tackle larger projects like quilts, but that also makes it a breeze to store. Full-color touchscreen on-screen editing functions include enlarge/reduce, rotate, flip, drag and drop, arc, combine, copy, and paste, grouping, corner layout, single color sewing, zoom. Specification and features. Dimensions: 7.9 by 11 inches. Weight: 20 pounds. Included stitches: 0. Attachments: automatic thread cutter. Power source: electric, USB cable power. Reasons to buy. Touchscreen makes design editing easy. Extension table adjusts for project size. Reasons to avoid. Cannot tackle larger projects. Number 2. Uten Portable Embroidery Machine. Though it is advertised as a sewing machine, the Uten 2685A has embroidery capabilities that are perfect for the beginner, but can also help experienced users handle a variety of tasks. The LCD touchscreen includes a series of functions, such as reverse button and memorized needle up or down buttons. It also includes automatic tension and stitch length and width to take the guesswork out of your crafting. The embroidery sewing machine have a series of buttons like start/stop button, reverse button, and memorized needle up/down buttons. It also includes automatic tension and stitch length and width. Its portable and flexibility make sewing easy and help sewing enthusiasts improve their creative capability. The portable sewing machine is equipped with a large LCD screen. You can simply select stitches with the push of a button and view it on the LCD display. This mini sewing machine set up as electric mode. Or connect the foot pedal if you are beginner and want slower speed by handheld mode. Specification and features. Brand: Uten. Color: white. Material: satin. Power source: electric. Is electric? Yes. Reasons to buy. Easy needle threading. Quick-set drop-in top bobbin system. Reasons to avoid. Limited functions. Number 3. Brother PE800 Embroidery Machine. An easy-to-use machine is essential for those who are just starting out, and the Brother PE800 fits the bill. The instruction manual is easy to follow, allowing crafters to get their projects started within 30 minutes of setup. The Spruce's Deanna McCormack, who has no prior knowledge of stitching techniques or embroidery practices, tested the Brother PE800 and raved about the machine's ability to help crafters. As I was working through the designs, the screen would show helpful tips or instructions that helped me understand the process and make the correct adjustments to my design, she wrote. The machine is a bit large, so you want to make sure you have the room to store it. But the machine's size provides a larger embroidery area, so You can take on bigger projects. 11 built-in fonts, 7 English, 3 Japanese, and 1 Cyrillic font styles are perfect for monogramming and lettering. The P800's USB port allows you to import your embroidery designs into your machine's built-in memory. The large 3.2 inch LCD color touchscreen allows you to preview your designs before embroidering. Specification and features. Brand, Brother. Color, large 3.2 inch LCD touchscreen, USB port. Material, plastic. Item weight, 17.64 pounds. Power source, corded electric. Is electric? Yes. Reasons to buy. Easy to follow instructions. Built-in tutorials. Large 5 inches by 7 inches embroidery area. Full color touchscreen. Reasons to avoid. Only does embroidery. Number 4. Brother PE535 Embroidery Machine. When it comes to monogramming, you want a machine that offers a variety of fonts, and the Brother PE535 delivers on that. Crafters can choose from 9 fonts, including 3 Japanese options. Each unit comes with an instructional DVD and bilingual user manual that allows you to set up and use the machine without complications. It also features 80 built-in designs and 10 frame patterns, though it's easy enough to import your own designs via the USB port. The USB port allows you to upload and store your own embroidery designs to your PE535's built-in memory. An expansive 3.2 inch LCD color touchscreen allows you to preview your designs before stitching. This Brother embroidery machine is built with a 4 inches by 4 inches embroidery field and includes a hoop. The PE535 is an embroidery machine and does not function as a traditional sewing machine. Specification and features. Brand, Brother. Color, large 3.2 inch LCD touchscreen, USB port. Material, plastic, metal. Item weight, 15 pounds. Power source, corded electric. Is electric? Yes. Reasons to buy. Easy to use. Ideal for small designing. Ready to go patterns perfect for beginners. Reasons to avoid. Intended for you. Customers only. No sewing capabilities. Number 5. Brother SE1900 Embroidery Machine. Having a machine that does double duty is ideal for avid crafters, particularly those with limited space. The Brother SE1900 sewing and embroidery machine includes an advanced needle threading function that easily pushes the thread through the needle, and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin, which keeps tangles to a minimum. With 138 built-in designs and 11 embroidery fonts, it is great for novice and intermediate crafters alike. The SE1900 comes with 138 built-in designs and 11 embroidery fonts perfect for monogramming. This sewing and quilting combo machine includes an advanced needle threading function that easily pushes the thread through the needle with the press of a lever, and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. The SE1900 features 240 built-in sewing stitches, including 10 styles of auto-size buttonholes. Specification and features. Brand, Brother. Color, 5 inches by 7 inches embroidering area, 3.2 inches LCD. Touchscreen, display. Material, metal. Item weight, 22.05 pounds. Power source, corded electric. Is electric? Yes. Reasons to buy. Base storage for easy organizing. Particularly effective on thin, stretchy fabrics. Takes a 60 weight bobbin thread. Reasons to avoid. Intended for you. Customers only. Sewing feature not ideal for thicker material. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.